to now finally round out the Piston Cup takeover that I've been having for the past few videos. We're going to end it with a helicopter. The Ron Hoover helicopter, which was one of the vehicles that found McQueen when he was lost. Yeah, this was a very interesting diecast. On the back, you're going to see, I don't even know this guy's name. I really don't. Ruby, forgot your name, Dash. Couldn't tell you. Easter Buggy and Sheriff. Wow. It's kind of ironic. Anyway, let's get this guy unboxed. And the next videos, since I thought this is going to be fun, there's some foreshadowing on this card art. Anyway, let's get this guy unboxed. So to start off, CRSN, which is basically a Cars news report, and what's kind of comical is it's got 3 cameras on it. 1, 2, 3. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of comical though, because I'm normally a Cars reviewer, and here we are, helicopter. I mean, I could do play. Nope. Anyway, he's got a little headset, got a little hat on top of his head. I noticed how whenever they want to do a hat, they have like a little brim at the top. It's kind of cool. The color scheme is orange, yellow, white. I guess black if you want to count the rotors. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I don't really know why I keep saying that. I'm not even going to say the comment part because I've given up on returning on comments, so yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.